All right, what we got here is a 2022 Dodge Durango 5.7 Hemi. We are about to do a Corsa exhaust, full bolt-on Corsa exhaust. This is stock how it sounds. I hear that. That's stock right there. So yeah, stay tuned how this car is gonna sound. We might show you a little process of it. We'll see. Can see a little driver right there? He thinks it's his driver. All right, guys, we're already finished with the install with the Corsa exhaust. He's about to turn it on. You ready to turn it on, man? Sure? Huh? Yeah. Hold on. Y'all see those tips? Corsa. Everything. Catback exhaust. You can't really see, but look. Looks so beautiful. Right? Looks beautiful. All right, turn it on. Hey, sounds good. Press a little bit of gas, just a little bit. Damn, you hear that popping sound? That's Hellcat power right there. Ooh, it should look good. Sounds good too. Y'all want to see the inside? Look at that radio. Yeah. What y'all think about this one? Press the gas a little bit.
Turn back around.